Let's understand some date formatting strings. So let's start from select hire date, comma truncate, truncate, truncate means CTR, trunk, okay, so short for truncate, okay, bracket open, we say hire date, comma very close from we'll say round also, round, round, bracket, hire date, comma single quotes single quotes close, bracket close, from EMP, semicolon, enter. Now as you can see here, the hire date, there is our normal hire date of EMP hire date, that is join date, that is 17th November 1981. Okay, here it says 1st May 1981, okay, and 9th June 81, and so on. This is the hire date. But truncate day of this hire date, hire date, what it does is that truncate hire date, comma means month wise. This is the only thing we can do it. Means month. So what happens, whatever the date is there, it remembers only the month. It only remembers the month, okay, and the date will be the first of that month. For example, 17th November will convert into first day of the November, first day of November. Again 1st May, 9th June will be converted to 1st June. See, the first of that month, okay. 2nd April will be 1st April, okay. 19th April it will become 1st April. We'll give you the first day of that month, okay, whatever month is given. So it is December here, this will be 1st December, okay. Here also December, so 1st December. Here is February, 1st February, 1st February, September, 1st September, September here, 1st September, May here, 1st May. Whatever date is there, the date is not considered here, only it is only saying that the first day of that particular month. That's called truncate. But if you say round, then it considers the date also. If the date is greater than equal to 15, remember, greater than equal to 15, then it will go to the next month first day, next month first day. Otherwise the current month first day, current month first day, if it is less than 15th, okay. So let's see here, this is 17th, okay, November. Now 17 is greater than 15, so the month is November, this will be next month means December, 1st December, the first day of the December, okay. Always the date will be first only, okay. You can see here all the dates are first, okay. Only the month will change it depending upon the day, whether it is greater than 15, okay, greater than equal to 15, then it will convert into next month or the current month only. Now if it is May here, now this is less than 15, so the same month, okay, same month, say first day, 1st May, right. June, now this is 09, which indicates less than 15, so 1st June, okay. April 02, that means the less than 15, so it will be 1st April. 19, now this is the next day, we say greater than 15, here the date is greater than 15, okay, so it will be next month. April will go to May, first day, okay. Again December, this is less than 15, so the same day, same month, okay, December, the first, but the date will be 1st December. Now here 17th December, 17th means again greater than 15, so this is December, this will go to January, and this the year will change to 81. We say the 1st January 1981, okay. 20th February, now here it is 20th February, and this is greater than 15, so this will become, February will become March, okay. March 1st March 1981. Okay, now here again 15 greater than 15, and this is February, so this will become March. This will be 15, so it is greater, this will become March, and the day will be 1st March. September. Okay, September, what happens? September, again this is 28, which is greater than 15, so September will become this October. Okay, October, and the date will become 1st October. So all will be first only. The date will be first, but depends upon, if it is greater than 15, it will go to the next month, and if it is less than 15, it will be the same month. Okay, but the day will be the first day of that particular month, whatever month we have. Correct? So that is called round. Now let's understand hire date, and we'll say to underscore char, char. This is another function used to convert date into some particular format we want it. Okay, from, so we'll say to char hire date comma mm. Now instead of mm, I'll show you something. I'll put the formatting string here. Okay, I'll show you here. So these are the formatting strings. Let's learn this first. Okay, so these are y, 4 y's. Okay, so if I put here 4 y's, let's see what happens. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 y's. So it gives you 1981. So if I say 3 y's, the last 3 digits of the year, that is 981, 981, 987, right? Okay, so this is the last 3 digits. Last 2 digits yy, last 2 digits, see 81, 81, 81. Okay, 87, 81, 80, last 2 digits of the year. Okay, but if I say single digits, single y, then the last single digit. Okay, last single digit of the year, that is 81, we say 1 1 1 1 7. See here, 7 1 1 0 0 1 1, right? The last digit of the year. Okay, if you say single y. Okay, next is say year, full year, YEAR. Instead of y, you say year, YEAR. This will be in the spellings. This will write the year in spelling. 1981, you can see that 1981, 1981, this is all 81, 1987, 1987, 1981, 1980, 1981, this is 81, 1981. Okay, this one is 81, 1981, this is 1987, right? 81, this is 82. Okay, so it will give you in spelling. Okay, now let's say AC, AD and BC. Now if it's the date is in AD or BC, let's see that. If you say BC, hire date, okay, BC, so you'll say no, it's not BC, it is AD now. Okay, so either you put AC, AD or BC, it will just give you what is the exact date, whether it's AD or BC. Okay, now this is all ADs. BC stand for before Christ. Okay, now let's say you want Q stand for quarter. Now here 17 November is in the fourth quarter means now here January, February, March is the first quarter. Okay, April, May and June is second quarter. Okay, July, August, September is in third quarter, and okay, and the last is October, November, December is in the fourth quarter. Now here is the fourth quarter, October, November, December, right? So it is the fourth quarter. May, this is the second quarter, this is second quarter. April, this is second quarter, second this is the first quarter. See, January, February, March is the first quarter, right? January, February, March is the first quarter. And here 3 September, right? Third quarter. May, second quarter. This fourth quarter, right? First quarter, and so on. This shows you the quarter. Okay, now let's say what is mm. Mm stand for month. So November will be printed as the figure as 11. 11 is the figure, okay. 11 means November. 5 means May, right? 6 means June. 4 means April. 04, right? How we write the date, okay. So 04 is again April. This is December, okay. So the month is been shown in the figure, okay. So the shows the figure of the month. Now but if I say Roman letter FRM, will give you, see, in Roman letter this is 11, okay. This is 5, 6, 4, 4, 12, 12. See, December 12, okay. So whatever number you given, it's just printing in Roman letters. You can use RM, okay. Let's go down and check for the next one. MONTH, month. So if I say here MONTH, month, so this will give you November, May. See the two care of higher date, okay. This November is the full name of that month, say November. May will be May, June, April, December is written in full, December in full, right? The full name of the month in capital letters, okay. But if, because we are written month in cap letter, but if I say MONTH, the first letter of that month is in capital letter. So let's see what happens. See the first letter November, N is capital letter. May, first M is capital letter. June, J is capital. April, A is capital, okay. But if you want all in small letter, then you say this M also in small letter. So now November, see everything in small letter. So when you say MONTH, this shows you the name of the month in full, okay. So if I say dash Y, right? So that means month and year, 4-digit year. So now you can see here November 1981, May 1981, June 1981, right? April. Now you can see this gap here, okay. This gap, if you want to remove this gap, any gap of this after the month, right? This gap is fixed actually for 9 digits, 9 characters, okay. So if you want to remove this gap, okay, if you say May, there is a lot of gap, right? So if you want to remove this gap, you can just write FM here, okay, FM and then month. So now it removes the gap. See, it removes the padding gap, okay. So now November 1981, okay, here it is May 1981, June 1981, April 1981, and so on. But if you want the years in full words, then you should write EAR, okay. Then you have November 1981, May 1981, June 1981, April 1981, okay. Now you want this first letter of this words, or say this particular months to be in capital letter, then you have to write it here M in capital letter, right? Then we'll give you, say, November, right? November 1981, and say. So if I give here also Y in capital letter, so 1981, okay, April 1981, this is December 1981, okay, and so on, okay. Now if I say here, instead of MONTH, if I say MON only, so then it will give you November. See the short of 3 letters, okay. The month is in 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, small letter. So November 1981. See, this is what we are giving. The format is November here, right? So November. If you want it in capital letter, we say month in MON, okay. So now everything will be capital letter. See the November, okay. November 1981, November 1981. If you want the date also there, then we say dd, okay, and say dash. Okay, you can say dash, okay, you can say full stop, dot, okay, you can put slash, whatever character you want it. So here 17th November 1981. So now with this thing we are printed in words, right? 17th, so it's a bit th should be 17th, right? First st and 09 st, right? 9th, second nd, okay, that type of letter we want to add to this particular date. So what we'll do is that I'll say the formatting string says that you write th, just write th. So now say 17th November 1981, okay, 1st November 1981, okay, again 9th June 1981. Now let's say this month in full. How to write the month in full? Say MON, right, th, month. Now this will give the month in full. So now it says 17th November 1981, okay, 17th November 1981. Now this is 17th. If you want the 17 should be in words, okay, then spellings, okay, then what we'll do, we'll say here dd, okay. If I remove this and put sp stands for spell the date, okay. So let's say what happens, spell the date, 8th, this is 8th September, right, 8th September 1981, 23, but actually 23rd, right, should be 23rd, is it 23 May 1981, but it should be 23, instead of 23 it should be 23rd, okay. So what we'll do, I'll say spell it plus you put the th also, so that first, second, third and so on, okay. So press enter. Let's see, 23rd, you can say 23rd May 1987. Now this year 18th September 1981, again 28th, okay, 28th, you can see 28th September 1981, here 22nd, right, 22 means 22nd February 1981, right. So instead of this dash we say we don't put this dash, so it looks nice. Let's see, and instead of this also we'll remove this dash. So 3rd December 1981, now this is the correct way, right, 3rd December 1981 and so on. Say this one is 28th September 1981, 22nd February 1981, right, so on. So if you wanted to format the date, you can use dd spth, okay. Now that spth is all here, you can see in the second chapter here, you can see spth, right, th, all these things are there, okay. Now let's see here, I'm going to remove these things here, I'm going to remove all those things, and I'll say here from EMP, right. Now I'll say here, okay, to cat, I'll say MON is over. Let's see what is WW stands for, okay. WW, week of the year. There are 1 to 53 weeks, after which week it is will show you, okay. Say WW, so let's say WW, okay. So this is the 17th November is 46th day, 46th week, okay, 46th week, and here this one is 18th week, 23rd week, 14th week, 16th week of the year, okay, and this is 04th week, 08th week, okay. You should say 21st, 2nd, ND, right, 2nd, 3rd. So what we do, we say th here. So what happened, th means it puts add 18th, 23rd RD, right, here will be th, 51st, 51 means instead of 51 say 51st, okay, and 8th and so on, 21st. This is the 21st week, you can say it is the week. Now we want to write the week as it is. So if you want anything to be written as it is, you put in the double quotes, WEEK, right, press enter. So we'll say 46th week, Okay, this is 18th week. Okay, 18th week of the year. You should write as it is, right? Say of the year, of the year. Sorry, of the year. Whatever you want to print as it is should be in the double quotes. You can see from here to here I put it in small letters. See, from here to here I written in quotes. Okay, so it will be printed, but this single quote and this single quote should be written as it is. Okay, so whatever you want to print as it is will be you should print it in, you should give it in double quotes. Okay, so of the year, and here I'll say outside of the year, and I'll say here of the year y, right? So we'll print 46th week of the day of the year 1981, right? 18th week of the year 1981. This is 16th week of the day. Okay, 19th April 87 is the 16th week of the day of the year 1981. Okay, this way. Now, but if I say here, instead of this, I'll remove everything, and if I say DDD, okay, so DDD is the 321 day. See, there are 366 days, right? 1 to 365 or 366 depending on the leap year. There are 365 days, right? So if you say 3 D's, the DDD, this will give you the number of the day. Okay, so if it is 17 November 1981 is the 321st day of the year. So instead of saying first, we'll say th first, right? 21st day. Now day should be in, as you want to print as it is, so you put it in, say day of year. Okay, year, and outside the quotes will say y, right? Enter. So 221st day of the year. Okay, this in 3 Y's, or should be 4 Y's, right? 4 Y's. Okay, so 321st day of the year 1981. Okay, 121st day of the year 1981, and so on. Okay, so this gives you the number of days, number of the day. Okay, so when you say 17th November 1981, 17th November 1981 is the 321 days are passed. Okay, on this day, 17th November. Now if you say DD, you know that's the day month. This is the DD actually. This stands for DD, right? So if I say here DD dash MON dash YYY, this is the correct date we should use. Now instead of this is better, right? Let's say the number should be in capital letter, so I'll have to put number in capital letter. We say MON, right? Then it is correct, right? 17th November 1981. This is the correct way the date should be present, whereas this is wrong because it is not presenting the the 19, which century. Okay, say 1981, this should be 1981. This way the year should be presented properly. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now next is your dy. Now we say if I say here dy, what will happen? Okay, 19th Tuesday, 17th Tuesday, November 1981. So this was Tuesday, right? Now if you don't like Tuesday, okay, TUE, if you want it to full, okay, then you write DAY. Okay, so when you say DAY, there is a Tuesday, Friday, okay, all in capital letter, and you can see this gap. Okay, this gap, we can remove this gap by using FM, as I told you before. So just add FM in front of that. You say here is the day and say FM, right? And say this. So now the gaps are removed. Okay, so you say Sunday, 22nd 22 Sunday February 1981. If you want this also in cap full name of that particular month, you can say MONTH. Okay, right, you can see it. And if you want the day in single letter instead of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, in numbers you want it, then you say D. So this is third, this is Tuesday, 3 means Thursday, sorry, this 3 means Tuesday. First one means Sunday. Now it's very little bit confusing that one is what, right? 7 is what. So we have to say D, I'll say dash and say DY also at the same time so that you can understand it. So 3 means Tuesday, 6 means Friday, 3 means Tuesday, 5 means Thursday, 1 means Sunday, right? 5 means Thursday, 4 means Wednesday, 6 means Friday, 1 means Sunday, and so on. Okay, so actually starts with Sunday is 1. Okay, Sunday, Monday till Saturday. So Saturday should be 7, right? Okay, so I hope you understood this also. Now if I say you understood spelling also, right? Now if I say here, I'll remove all those things. I'll say instead of hire date, I'll say sys date, SYS DATE, sys date. Sys date means current date, right? So I'll say here also SYS DATE, sys date, sys date. Okay, spelling. Okay, sys date is giving from EMP, will say dual, right? Okay, so now you can see sys date is this, the system date, and this is the again the system date formatted in this format. DD means show me the day. This is the weekday, this is the weekday words, characters. Okay, this is in the month and this is the year. Now there is a gap, you can see here. Why the gap? How to remove the gap? Just add FM. Okay, and here we'll say FM to remove the gap. Okay, now it's correct, right? Now what I want is, so if I say DD we say DD and we say DD dash MM, what will happen? So showing day and the month. Okay, now if I say instead of MM, I'll say MON, right? And say Y 4 times. So this will give 2nd April. Today is 2nd April 2021, system date. Okay, 2021. Today's date is 2nd April 2021. Now what is the hours? What is the hours? HH. Hours is 01. Okay, 01. And what is the minute? MI. MI stands for minutes. MI stands for minutes. Okay, here it is, MI stands for minutes. Hours. Okay, you can say HH or 12. HH means 12 hours. Okay, so here 01 31 minutes. Okay, now if I say colon SS, it will print hours, minute and second. Okay, now this is 12 or HS 12 or HS is the same thing, hours, minute and second. But if I say in 24 hours system, 24. Okay, so again the same thing, but it will be after 12 o'clock afternoon, it will become 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. It's in 24 hours format. Okay, so this is midnight right now, so I'll say 24 hours, so many minutes, so many seconds. If you want to know how many seconds have been passed from the midnight, we can say 5 S's, 1 2 3 4 5. So this will give 5,516 seconds have been passed so far after the midnight, right now after the midnight. Okay, so if I say here again, once again, so it has changed. See, it was 5,516, now it is 5,528. Okay, it will keep on changing because seconds are passing here. Okay, now it is 39, it goes on. Okay, this will go on till if you say SS, it will go on past midnight 1 to 8000, because the one full day, in one particular full day it will say be 1 to 8000 86,399 seconds. Okay, so now it just started from midnight. Right now this 1 o'clock, okay, in the morning, 1 o'clock right now. Okay, 32 minutes and 19 seconds. Okay, now you also know that you can put dash, slash and everything. Now here I put it as, say, now here I put dash, right? This is dash. You can put dot also. Some countries uses dot, you can use that dot. Okay, then it will be dot notation, you can put slash. Okay, and if you want any characters information to be printed as it is, you put it in the double quotes as is given here. Okay, then you have, if you want th, third, 22nd, first, third, fourth and so on, then you say th. If you want to spell the word, you say sp. Okay, sp and th will spell and also put in 31st or 32nd, like that. Okay, so you may do this R&D. Okay, I hope you understood all these formats. It's already given there. Okay, you may use it and experiment it. So here you understood that how to put date, time and everything. So you can say here 2 seconds. If you want to print anything, this is day, right? Day off, say day off, right? Printed as it is. Whatever you want to print as it is should be in double quotes. From here to here I printed in double quotes. Okay, from here to here it is double quotes, right? So day off, say 22nd day off. Now second is not given there, so what will do second, and if you want second, 22nd, 23rd and everything, you say th. Okay, so now second day of April, right? April, you want April in full month, full day of month, full words. Okay, so we'll say a month and we say year. So the day of April 2021. Now this is giving, you should give FM here, so remove the gap, I'll say FM. Okay, so now the gaps are removed. Previously there was a gap here, you can see here that gap has been removed. So this is the 22nd day of April 2021, and what is the hours? Minute and second, right? So we say this is in double quotes we say HRS, hours, right? Okay, then we remove this colon. You can put any character, colon or anything. Okay, hours is a minutes, this should be in quotes, right? Minutes, and we say this has seconds. Okay, this midnight second we don't want it, so I removed it. Okay, press enter. So 22nd day of April 2021, 1 hours 35 minutes and 42 seconds. If you press again, 1 hour 35 minutes 52 seconds, right? So on, the seconds keeps on changing. Okay, now let's say this is AM or PM. What is it? So we'll say just write AM or PM. Let's write PM, or you can use AM, whatever you want it. Say if AM, so it says AM, write it, it was second AM. Okay, now it doesn't looks nice, so we'll write it colon, right? Minutes, MI and colon SS. Okay, and I'll remove everything up to here. Okay, and write AM. So 22nd day of April 2021, 1 hour 36 minutes 38 seconds, and this is AM. This is AM. If you write AM instead of AM, if you write PM also, it will give you AM only, because right now it is morning 1 o'clock. Okay, or say midnight 1 o'clock. Okay, in India. So now here if you say, now this is giving you 2021. If you want this to be spelled, you can write it here YEAR. Okay, that's all. Enter. So this is 22nd day of April 2021. 1 hour 37 minutes 15 seconds, and this is AM. Okay, so this way you can format the entire date and time system. Thank you.